Oh gosh, we're in line here for some Filipino flavored donut. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. This place, Kora, just recently opened, so everybody's so eager to try the pastry. It's Filipino-inspired pastry, so we're one of them, and we are in line as of 8 o'clock, and that's the line. We're gonna pick them up and go home and do a taste test. So I can't wait to get it home.
Thank you so much. It's 8:59. We'll open as soon as I get through this spiel with everybody on the line. My name is Kevin. I'm one of the owners. This is Lillian. Lillian's going to be helping me do some line control, line management, just to make sure that everyone is informed about what's going on today. There will be a limit of 5 pastries per person, 1 per item. Okay? I've aimed to please, but on Sundays it is very, very, very busy. If I can make an extra cookie for grandma, maybe, but I can't. Please just help me help everyone to make sure that I can do an accurate line control and I can make sure I can cut it off at an accurate time, okay? So once again, 5 items per person, 1 per item. The cookies do count.
Here we go. We're gonna pick them up and follow us home, and we're gonna do a taste test of these Filipino-inspired pastries. They look so good over here, and you can see the kitchen looks pretty clean. A few varieties of pastries. It looks all so good, so we decided to get about, I think, 8, and also a cookie or 2 for Doug. And it's very efficient, you know. You put your orders, and then you pay on the counter. We were out of there in less than 10 minutes. It's pretty quick. So she's basically putting our order away now. And then you pay and off you go. So follow us home. Let's go. Amy, look at the line. Oh goodness. Look at the line. Oh my goodness, we got our pastry. Only 5 per person. This is the loot, so let's start our taste test. Okay, so we're gonna try the ensaymada first. Cheese ensaymada? Is that what it's called? Let's see. First impression. Ooh, a lot of pockets. That means good lamination. Let's try it now. It's actually flaky and soft and chewy. It's really good. The sweet buttercream in contrast with the salty cheese and the croissant itself. It's really, really good. I must see what's my favorite.
Ham and cheese pan Swiss.
Why pan Swiss?
It's the style of croissant.
Oh, okay. If y'all don't know, Filipino like Spam. I grew up with Spam, and this must have something to do with World War II when the American soldier went to the Philippines with their can of Spam, maybe. Ooh, it looks so nice. Look at that. It looks like soft and flaky outside. You can see the Spam and the cheese. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. Although we can't cut it like this, but we did, because we're gonna share it. Huh? This is good too.
It's a little sweet.
The croissant is so sweet. Well, but it balances out the salt though. I don't think it's really sweet, but
No.
I think it has a good balance. 2 out of 2. Now let's try the ube brioche. Looks like they have a little dried ube on top as a garnish. It looks good. It looks like it has a nice cream in there. Oh no! Oh no!
Can't cut it.
You need a smaller knife. I think you have a big knife. Looks soft. Appears to be pillowy type texture. And we're gonna see how it tastes. Oh gosh, can't wait. It has a very good, strong ube flavor. Definitely. And not very sweet. And the crispy ube, topping is good too. It's a nice little crunch. It has a good brioche dough flavor. And obviously, I think they said they fried this. So it's pretty good. I have to say, it's very soft. A little chew. But I guess this is kind of not my favorite, considering that what I ate the first two. But this is still pretty good so far. Now I'll try the leche flan. Leche flan is a traditional Filipino dessert that's very popular. I think this has some kind of a Spanish influence. It has some cream, huh? In between the layer? Yeah. Let's give it a try. Looks nice and pillowy, soft. The cream. The cream is good. It tastes like caramel. Well, it's about right because leche flan, the base of the leche flan, it has a caramel base. So, yeah, this is pretty good. The flan itself is not very sweet. It's just had enough sweetness. And the dough, I think it must be a brioche dough, fried, and then they just put the flan on top. Overall, it tastes good. I think this could be one of my favorite. I like this one, the leche flan. Huh? So far, 3 out of 4. Let's try the apple fritter. I'm not sure if it says banana apple fritter. Let's see.
Maybe just apple? Oh, it's a banana.
I guess it's good. It has good flavor, but I don't care much about the
Glaze.
yeah. Okay. It's good. So that's a matcha cruller. Okay. It's a
Pata choux dough.
pata choux dough. Dough.
Same with eclairs. Same with churros.
It's nice. Like you could see all the, like it's very light. It's got a lot of holes in it. So I guess it rises really nice.
This doesn't rise. You just bake it and then it puffs up.
Oh really? You don't let it
There's no
rise?
yeast
There's
in
no
it.
yeast? Okay, looks like how. I guess, is this like kind of lamination too?
No.
It's different?
You don't like matcha?
I don't care much about matcha. I guess I don't care for cruller either. No. I mean, it's good. I'm gonna say it's bad, but not my favorite. So I'm still 3 out of 6. Well, she didn't wait for me. She sliced it. Okay. It looks like has some cream inside the brioche dough, and it looks like dusted with sugar. It appears to be like a cronut. The filling is good. I like this one too. Do you like this one?
It's okay.
So 4 out of 8.
7.
Oh, 7 because we can't eat the other one. I forgot. I think overall everything is good, except I guess I don't care about this a fritter or whatever this is, a cruller.
Mm-hmm.
Now the ube, the flavor is good, but I don't know, it just kind of didn't meld with me. I like that one. So which one is the best? It's kind of hard to tell. You know, I guess they are Thai. So I think this, for this two, I think maybe I like the leche plan better. I guess because it's more Filipino. The ube is okay, but not, I don't know, there's something about it that I couldn't really care much, but these two, I like them both. It's a tie. Amy's asking me if it's worth it. Well, it's good, it's something different, you know, but I don't know if I'm gonna fall in line like that again in the cold. In summary, I will go back there and get more of these pastries. I do love the ensaimada and the spam pan swift and the leche flan. Those three are my favorite. And is it worth it? Yes, I will go back there and get some more, but maybe after the hype is over. But I don't know how long this hype's gonna be. It could be over a year, but who knows. But I don't live in New York, so I could just go there the next time when I visit. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Do you like croissant? Do you like pastries? Would you give this place a try? Until next time, bye!